Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the Kanban project management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are working somewhere already as a manager and you have to implement projects. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, Kanban project management. Basically, Kanban is a methodology which we use to manage the projects. Like we have other methodology available, like for example Scrum, Waterfall, Lean, Extreme. So Kanban is another methodology which is based on Agile concepts. Agile means that the flexible, which can be customizable, which can be flexible and improvable as per the customer feedback, as per the customer need. And basically Kanban is focus on the workflows and reduce waste. Waste means the thing which is not producing any result, and inefficiency, and increase team focus by limiting work in progress only. Just see this board only. For example, you have stories, user requirements, and these are the user stories, and here is on the to-do list. To-do list means that the stories which you are currently doing, then to-do list which you have to deliver. Then in progress means the stories at which you are working, the stories at which you are currently testing, and the stories which are done or completed. So that means basically this is the workflow which we are focusing, the project team is focusing, and the main focus is on the delivery. Okay, the main focus is on the workflow. That for example we have these are the all stories, user requirements. We have taken for example 3 stories from here. These other 3 stories are already in progress, and 4 stories are in testing, and these are the stories which are completed. So basically if you have seen the manufacturing work, similar approach is here, that it defines the flow of the work, and the focus is on the work which is currently in hand, and reducing the waste or the work which is not producing any value. The main principles of Kanban project management is that start with what you are doing now. So the work which is currently in progress, the main focus is on that to complete, and then change occur organically over time. That means with the passage of time, things are becoming improving, things are becoming better, and the changes are incremental. Incremental means that we never do the change spontaneously and incidentally. We basically plan the things, and evolutionary, with the passage of time, we do the incremental changes. Then report current roles and respect current roles and responsibilities, whatever the role. For example, you have if you have a manager role, you have a development team role, software developer, tester, database engineer, business analyst. So there are so many roles. So basically respect whatever they are doing, respect their roles and responsibilities, and encourage leadership from everyone. Here in the Kanban, basically everyone, you can say everyone has a leadership role. Encourage leadership. That means if any person wants to give feedback, wants to implement any new ideas, so encourage them. Basically it is not the case that no one can't give any feedback. Everyone, if they have the abilities of leadership, if they want to improve the process, if they want to improve the delivery, he can contribute, and everyone will respect his opinion as well. Here there are many few concepts which are very important. First concept is the Kanban board. Kanban board, basically just think of this Kanban board here, and this is the Kanban board. In the Kanban board you can see the user stories are there, then a to-do list, then in progress and complete. So basically what we do, we first of all we list down all the user stories here. Okay, then we divide the work into multiple chunks. Like for example, if there are 40 user stories or user requirements are there, we take the 10 user requirements which will come under the to-do list. Then the in progress list, in progress is the column where the stories which are in progress. In progress means that we are working to develop those stories, and then the testing is there. After testing it will come to complete, like it will deliver to the customer. So we can say that these stories are completed. So this is the Kanban board concept. Then Kanban card. Kanban card, just see this is the Kanban card. Kanban card means that we just take a simple paper, just take it as a simple paper, at which the name of the requirement, like the short description of the requirement, name, and who it will assign to be, so it will be mentioned on the card. So that is the concept of Kanban card. This is Kanban card. Okay, we place it here on the Kanban board, so all knows that, for example, in the to-do list, this is the Kanban card. For example, ABC is the requirement and XYZ is the person who is assigned to it, and there is a short description mentioned on the card that what is basically the user requirement. So basically, whenever anyone see the Kanban board, he will definitely easily see that what are the requirements, who it will be assigned, and who is working on it, and what is the short description of the user requirement. Then another concept is in the Kanban is the work in progress, or WPI limits. Basically, friend, basically we want to optimize the efficiency and avoid the waste, that things which are not producing any result. So basically, project manager need to set WPI limits to control the number of work items that are placed within the different stages of the Kanban board. By limiting the amount of tasks collected in the work in progress, basically work in progress limit. For example, you can say in progress, basically you have only, for example, 5 developer resources. So you know with one resource can deliver 5 tasks at a time. So that means you cannot take more than 25 tasks in a time. So you can impose a limit in work in progress that above than 25 tasks you will not take task in progress. So once the it is the limit of work in progress, it should not be have to breach. As a manager, as a project manager, you have to ensure that the work progress limit should not be breached, because see, if you will put pressure, you will put task on the development team which they can't achieve, which is beyond their limits, so obviously the system will crash and there will be no result. So basically, work in progress limit or WPI limit is a concept in which you put a limit on number of tasks in progress. The work in progress means the task at which currently core team is working to deliver. So that is the main concept, so that they are more efficient, they are more productive and result oriented, and you can get the outcome or outcome result from their progress. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.